Welcome to Build Your 3D. In this video, we'll explore the Parametric vacuum hose adapter generator. Finding the right adapter for a shop vacuum, dust extractor, power tool, or custom hose connection can be surprisingly difficult. Instead of searching for hard-to-find fittings, you can simply create a custom adapter that perfectly matches your equipment. No CAD software required. The adapter is generated automatically based on your dimensions. Simply adjust the parameters, update the preview, and inspect the model before downloading the STL file or ordering professional 3D printing. Let's go through each parameter. The first setting is connection diameter end 1. This defines the outside diameter of the first connection. Measure the actual hose or machine port with calipers for the best fit. Next is connection diameter end 2. This specifies the diameter of the second connection, allowing you to connect hoses, vacuum cleaners, dust ports, power tools, or different systems with mismatched sizes. The transition length controls the length of the tapered section between both diameters. A longer transition creates a smoother airflow and reduces sudden changes inside the adapter. Next is the wall thickness. This determines the strength of the adapter. Thicker walls provide greater durability, while thinner walls reduce material usage and printing time. The next parameter is the retention bead height. This creates a small raised ring around the adapter that helps the hose grip more securely. If no retention bead is required, this value can simply be set to 0. Next comes the retention bead width. This controls how wide the retaining ring is. A wider bead generally provides a stronger grip, but may require more flexible hoses during installation. The insertion length per end defines how far each hose slides onto the adapter. Increasing this value improves the contact area, helping to create a more secure connection and better sealing. Next is fit compensation for end 1. This allows you to fine-tune the diameter if your printer, hose, or material requires a slightly tighter or looser fit. The same adjustment is available for fit compensation on end 2, allowing each side of the adapter to be optimized independently. Finally, we have the preview resolution and export resolution. The preview resolution controls how detailed the model appears inside the browser. A lower value loads faster during editing. The export resolution controls the final STL quality. Higher values generate smoother circular surfaces and produce the best printable result. Once all parameters have been configured, the interactive 3D viewer allows you to inspect the adapter from every angle. Rotate the model. Zoom in to verify both connection diameters, the transition section, and the retaining beads. The preview accurately represents the generated geometry before manufacturing or 3D printing. Whether you're connecting shop vacuums, dust extractors, CNC machines, woodworking equipment, 3D printers, power tools, or custom hose systems, Build Your 3D makes it easy to generate perfectly fitting vacuum hose adapters. Simply enter your dimensions, generate your model, and download a ready-to-print STL file within seconds. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore more parametric engineering models and start designing your own custom components today. Thanks for watching.